Okay, friends, this is the stove sent to Philippines, and this is the solid output, hook, the hanging rings, and the pliers. This is the handle of this stove. You need to install it, and this is the lighter. This is the fan blower. You need to install it behind the stove, and this is the USB to put on here. This is a protective cover put here, and stainless pipe to install here, and the stove cover put it here. Yes. The fan blower is made by stainless steel, and this is carbon steel. This is carbon steel. The stove is 12 kilogram, and outside the kit is stainless steel, and inside is carbon steel. The pipe is also stainless steel. If you want to clean the ashes in the stove, you just upside down and open this. Then the ashes will come out.